Welcome to Urban Homesteading. I'm Professor DIY and behind the camera is Elpida. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on what time you're watching this. In our channel, we do a lot of DIY, how-tos, project reviews, electronic reviews, and car videos. And if today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. We're going to review a level laser device that I think is one of the best I've used. Laser devices are used a lot to make sure that you are straight and plumb when you build, or if you want to hang a lot of pictures, let's say, and you want them all to be in the same level. They're very, very useful machines. And today we have a Firecore green laser, which we are going to unbox and review for you. So the product comes in this nice pouch. It is not a hard case, but it is a soft case. It's very nice, clearly protected from dust and things, right? With a nice Velcro. And the laser itself is rather large. Again, this is the Firecore laser, green laser. And let's see what else is in the bag.
What comes with it?
What comes with it?
Another battery?
So it has two batteries, one installed and another extra. So if you're in a very long project, you won't run out of battery. Okay, this is a device that you use to find level, like if you're in a big distance and you need to know where is level from where you are.
And it does have magnets on it.
It does have magnets on it.
So that's nice.
It has a USB cable, I presume from charging the batteries, and a USB charger.
Brick. And that's everything.
And that's it, an empty bag.
Okay.
So let's look at the laser first. Let's look underneath for a moment. And as you can see, it has two sets of connections. This is a standard connection for a tripod, like what cameras have. And this is a more heavy duty one if you're in an industrial environment.
Okay.
The build quality, I think, is very, very good.
Oh yeah, it's very nice. Heavy.
And it looks like, that is similar to this. You can, that wouldn't make sense there. I was just showing you that these
Right.
are magnets.
But they are magnetic.
And I know that the laser rotates. You might need to be unlocked on the other side. There is a little button there.
Little button.
So the laser can rotate based on where you have it.
Okay. And it does rotate all the way around.
Correct?
So that's nice. We will. Oh. And
What?
this also adjusts it.
What it adjusts?
It adjusts it incrementally.
Oh, I see. So you can make final adjustments, which will be critical in a moment because this laser is a self-leveling laser. So if you have it on a tripod, you want to use that button so it will not turn off. If it is not level, it does not actually project. We're going to show that in a moment.
Okay. And there are 3 lasers
Right,
here. And then is this the on button?
right.
Ooh,
And you can see now that the device is on.
got one.
Only one is what you have. There are buttons on the side. Turn it towards you so you can see. No, the whole thing, yes. You see?
This
There.
one? This one?
Yeah.
There goes the second one.
So that is only a vertical laser.
Now
And
we've got
now we have vertical and horizontal. And the laser is very strong, as you can see. Look, we go all the way to the ceiling.
yeah.
It is a very, very strong laser.
Okay.
Very happy.
Now we've got all 3 going.
Yeah. So now you go in a cube. I'm in the Matrix.
Yes, you are. Okay.
Very impressive display, right? And here I will show you what I meant. If we lift it, well, yeah, you saw it. If it is not level, it just,
Right.
and that is a warning that you're not level. But then
Okay.
if I don't move my hand, it stabilizes, right? So even if the machine is, as you see now, I'm tilted, it will let you know that you are not level.
Right. Okay.
And when it is within its ability to self-level, it will stop blinking and it will show you level.
Okay.
So I think that's a very good design. I like the overall design of the thing. The button, I mean, it only has one button here and the two buttons here, but they're well labeled. For a job site, the fact that it is yellow, I like yellow colors, which is weird because I don't like the old products, but you know, that's a different story.
And so there's a brightness adjustment here, is what it's saying?
Well, try it, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Press it. Here,
You
that says
press it.
brightness.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the laser beam.
Well, your hand's kind of blocking some of it, so let's see.
Actually, you can see it on my hand, yeah. You see there's kind of low, higher.
Okay.
Is it
Okay.
visible on the camera? I mean, it's very visible
It's harder to
person.
see.
And this switch is between the modes.
Yeah.
This is like a normal level mode, and it goes around. You want to go under the TV. So it goes around the building.
All the way around? All the way
Wow.
around?
The dogs are very excited about this.
He was going around with us.
And then you can be vertical, horizontal, or have all three, or all four. Very
Around?
impressive, right?
Are you doing around? Do around.
And can you just hold the corner there to see how the laser can go all around the corners? Very well designed, very strong laser.
All right.
The construction, and here you see how much battery you have remaining.
Can you push that again? Because right now it doesn't show anything.
I think you need to be on to show. Yeah, you see.
Okay. Excellent.
I like that the lasers are protected. You see the little three towers? Each laser on its own little protective tower with soft plastic,
Is it plastic or rubber?
rubber, I guess.
Okay.
You shouldn't do this, but I think it's designed to protect the laser, right?
Yep. You
Now
shouldn't do it, but you're doing it anyway.
Having said that, having three glass lasers, you need to be careful with the device. That is not something you just throw in your work bag and ignore, right? That is something you need to pay attention to. So you see we're outside and you can see that it is, do it first, you see how we're off.
Up there.
Yeah. And here is the real life application of the laser. As you can see, actually let's start in the bottom there. You can see that we are level there, and then as we go up, the pole is a little out of level or a lot out of level.
And we found out the reason why.
And you can see, but it's not part of this video.
No.
And you can see the usefulness of something like that, right? If something looks crooked, and the fact that we're outside now and the laser is still very well defined. Actually go over here too.
I did.
I think that's impressive, right? I mean, it follows every contour. This is a very impressive little laser. So this is our review of the Firecore laser. Again, it is advised that you do not look directly at the laser. And in fact, that these lasers are enclosed in a little turret makes that easy, right? Because I have to be there for the laser to hit my eye.
Right.
So that is a very, very good design. The batteries, you charge directly the battery. You see, there is a little door. And so far, we have this for about a month and the battery is holding reasonably strong. And it has a button here. It is not very visible. But that button allows you, hold it where you want, allows you to test the battery. Okay? Overall, I'm very pleased with the construction quality. This looks very professional, looks very, very good. And I like that you can use both a normal tripod that most people are likely to have, or if you are a professional, you can use a survey tripod, which are much bigger. And that's what you see this adapter for. And I do not have a survey tripod, so I cannot show it to you, but it is good that it has it, right?
Yeah.
Also, this is good. We didn't demonstrate how to use this, but it is self-evident, right? You put it somewhere, And then you take the laser, and if you want it to be like, if you want it to be on the level of this anchor, right?
Mm-hmm.
But on the other side, that's what this will be used.
Mm-hmm. And then we would line up the
Laser
laser,
here.
the laser line there, and then we would know, because we demonstrated it goes all the way around the entire room, that we would have
Right.
that same level. Yes.
And since you said that, also impressive is the power of this thing. Like even outside,
Yeah, the laser is very clear, very defined. You don't have any issue seeing it.
if you're a DIYer or a professional, I think this is a very good laser. Frankly, it might be too much for the average DIYer, but I don't think, if a tool is not excessively expensive, I don't think that's a problem. I like to have nice tools, right?
Oh yeah.
I like my Flex, for example, again. This is not sponsored. This is we bought with our own money.
This as well, right?
This, no, we did not buy with our money.
That's
this
what I'm
is,
saying.
Yeah, this is sponsored. But by sponsor, I mean,
Okay.
they sent us the laser. They did not ask us to say anything specific, good, bad, or ugly. I always try to nitpick and find things that they are bad, but I cannot on this one. Peter?
No, I think it's a really nice laser. It's very well
I
constructed.
mean, I love this
Yeah.
incremental change. I mean, everything is well thought. It feels sturdy.
It's got a very nice feel to it. I like that it has 3 lasers, so that you get every single direction that you might need.
And that you can get them individually or combined.
I like that the batteries, it comes with 2 batteries, that they are rechargeable. That's very nice. Kind of expected in today's age with tools, but still a very nice touch. And
Well, and most either have AAA or AA batteries, or they are internally rechargeable, which means when the battery goes bad, you throw the tool away. So for this is nice because I'm sure you can buy them from Firecore. And it is nice that they include 2.
yes, yes.
I'm trying to find something negative and I cannot really.
No,
So
I agree.
to me, it's a 10 out of 10. To you?
Yeah.
They absolutely recommend this laser if you're looking for a laser, and really if you're doing any building, a laser is a must-have.
Yeah, I think it's definitely, if you're gonna do like a refurbishment on your house, it helps to get everything lined up.
Framing and
Yeah,
anything
framing. That's definitely where it's gonna come in. Obviously, you can do it to hang pictures just like we talked about, but this is really gonna shine when you're doing a little bit more heavier construction work.
Right, or for fun, just to turn it on and drive your dogs crazy.
Sure, yeah.
All right, folks, this is our short episode for today. Again, I do recommend this project from Firecore.
Product.
I'm sorry?
Product. You said project.
Project. I recommend Firecore. There you go.
This laser, yep, this one.
From Professor DIY and Elpida, let's review something together.